Hi everybody, so this is a video to show you how to install the Safefit two-way to view auto mirror for babies. And advanced, I'm sorry I'm filming this on my phone, but I figured it would be the fastest way to do it. And because my car is a two-door hatchback, I figured it would be easier to show the installation on my glass dining table. So when I open the package, there are three main components to it. There's, of course, the mirror. There is a suction cup part that you can attach, or something for your visor, which is a clip, a very strong clip. And when I bought this product, I saw a lot of reviews online saying how confusing it was. There was hardly any instructions, as you can see on the to use area. Well, if I can focus it. Oh, it's not going to focus. Basically, it says clean and dry suction cups and window before installation. Suction cups fit within defroster grid lines, not for use with aftermarket tinted film. Colors and styles may vary. Not much instructions at all, but it is very simple to put together. I have already put the suction cup one on just to get a better view. As you can see on this one, there's a little area to insert the mirror. All you have to do is take the mirror. There's a ball on the end that's supposed to allow a 360-degree turning, and you just pop it in there. It takes a minute to kind of just push it in, but it's very easy to do. So what we're going to do now is try to suction cup this onto my dining table. So here we go. So to see its hold up, I've decided to do this on the bottom side of my table. So let me just get down here. So we're going to take this bad boy and we're just going to push it on. There it is. You can pull on it. It's actually holding up quite well. It's a very lightweight mirror too, which is nice. The 360-degree turning thing is a little stiff, but I mean it still turns. And as you can see, you can wiggle it and it's on there. So I'm a little confused as to why there were so many complaints about its complexity, where it is a very simple product. So there's that, and I believe you can pull on a tab to dislodge it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it just pops right off. So very easy. And again, that is the Safefit 2-in-1 auto mirror. It can be used rear facing or it can be used forward facing. And again, it comes with a visor clip or the suction cups. So I hope that was helpful, and I look forward to your comments, and let me know what you'd like me to review next. Bye!